Hi everybody, it's Froyo, and today we've got a huge box of CATICORN cereal. It's so weird. Here, let me show you.
I eat it all!
What?
Yes! Because there's CATICORN cereal. There's still more.
But what about us?
There's one cereal left. Do you want it?
I guess.
Okay.
Anyway, we're gonna try out some CATICORN cereal. Here it is. CATICORN cereal.
So tasty.
Unicorn!
No, you're not.
Shut up! I can drink, Carl.
I'm Pet.
I don't care, Carl.
Okay, does
Looks
this make
tasty.
CATICORNs narwhals of cats? Like, you know how narwhals have
I
the
think
horn?
so. I think. Wait.
How come it's jumping over its grinded up self?
Or wait, CATICORN, it's a cat made of corn.
Oh, that's not
Why is it
quite
white?
as not magical.
Oh.
It's tasty.
Either way, I'm interested. It's pink, it's sparkly, and it says
It's
got
not rainbow
it
colored.
says glittery
though.
sparkles. Berry perfection with glittery sparkles.
Ooh, I love me some sparkles.
Yeah, I'm ready. Let's do this.
It's
Let's
gonna
open
be
the
like
box.
unicorn cereal again.
It's there. We opened the box and there was two of them inside. So now we have 3 boxes.
This is Japan level packaging.
Wait, no. If are there tiny boxes in the big boxes?
Yes.
Maybe.
Yes, there are.
Awesome.
I will have
Okay, fine. Let's open these guys up.
Yay!
Well, all right. That tasted not bad. That was like Fruit Loops. Just they're all pink.
It's amazing.
And sparkly.
I like this. It's
So yeah, I think all around everyone liked it. It's just like Fruit Loops, but with more magical involved.
100%. I really like this.
Yay, CATICORN cereal!
It's not salty or sour.
Yay! They even have a coloring page on the back with an owl being like, "Who wants to color?" And then first, but turn it around. On the side, they have CATICORN names.
Oops. I did.
Like, mine is, when was I born?
I have no idea, but I think
Let's
it's
say-
great.